Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space c:/ /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.